Ride the subway in the dark night. City lights flicker outside. Rhythm of the train carries me, flow like a dream. Underground vibes in my soul. Jazz horns keep the beat rolling. Life's a journey down these tracks. Echoes of the past come back. Subway dreams take me far. Hip-hop beats and blues guitar. City whispers in my ear. Big band tunes make it clear. Graffiti stories on the walls tell tales of rises and falls. Faces blur in a subway car, lost in thought, gazing afar. Steel wheels hum over tune under the glow of a silver moon. Urban symphony fills the air, feel the heartbeat everywhere. Subway dreams take me far. Hip-hop beats and blues guitar. City whispers in my ear. Big band tunes make it clear. People rushing, chasing time. Their lives intertwined with mine. Voices blur, the secrets shared in this underground world we dare. Steel wheels hum a mournful tune under the glow of the silver moon. Urban symphony fills the air. Feel the heartbeat everywhere. Subway dreams take me far. Hip-hop beats and blues guitar. City whispers in my ear. Big band tunes make it clear. People rushing, chasing time. The lives intertwined with mine. Voices long, a secret shared in this underground world we dare. People rushing, chasing time. Their lives intertwined with mine. Voices murmur, secrets shared in this underground world we dare. As the train slows, lights grow dim, I find solace in the city's hymn. Riding the subway in the dark night. City lights flicker, fading from sight.